Hello, welcome guys. This is Armin again, and in the last part of our tutorial, C Sharp tutorial, we discussed about case, if else, and now we want to take a look about loops, and we want to begin with a while loop and do while loop, and this is really exact similar to other languages. Java, C, C++, and this is just like that. And I want really very quickly talk about that. What is while? General syntax is like this: condition, and this is what should uh, codes. Okay, and what is say? Is say here while loop. It is going to test the condition. Okay, uh, if that is true, if that condition comes true, we are going to execute this line. And to better understand that, I'm saying here I have here an int. I have really bad keyboard here, and that's why uh, I have integer x as 0, for example, and I want to say here, for example, I have here while loop, and I want to say okay. And now I'm saying here something very easy. uh, Give me I here, uh, and give me like this. Oh, I say if. That is bad. You use I everywhere. Okay, like this. And now let's check this and see what's output of that. What's the problem now? Uh, hmm. Okay, this is bad, guys. You know why? This is other project. I'm going to open new project here. It doesn't matter for me. Console app. I'm going for console app, and this is while loop, for example, like this. Yes. Coming for here. I'm going to remove you. There. Let's check now. Okay. Uh, what is here now? Output of this stack of code is 1 2 3 4. I have x0. What's the condition here? It say while x is 0 here. It's for 100%, and that is true. X is smaller than 5, and that is true. And if that is true, we are going to repeat this till till see till x is smaller than 5. At the moment, at the time is 6, that x is 6, that is false. You see, you get nothing. And with other words, you going to repeat that while your condition is true. This is going to repeat that while at the moment that the condition comes true. It's going to check that condition. If that is true, execute that code like other languages. Okay, that's for this one. This is basic, you have to know. And now we have something else, do while. What is do while? uh, what is do while? Can you imagine, for example, this is my while loop, okay? um I want to say here, what say do while loop. A while loop, what was while loop? While loop says it is not executing code while the condition is true, but do while code is going to execute the code at least one time, and then it is going to check that that condition, you know. Okay, let's do like this. I say here, let me I say here now, this is like this. For example, int I, like this. Whew. Uh, First do, and that is just do uh, while a condition, that is okay. First, the do code is going to execute one time, and after that it is going to check that condition. If that is true, it is going to execute that. And now let's see here. Let's see here. I say here int, for example, x is equal to 0, and I say here do. Okay. Also write line. Give me x. Give me there also x plus plus here. So here 5, for example, because we want to test it. Okay, and now you remember while loop, and take a look. We get here 0. Take, you say here what say here? You say our condition is false. Okay, x is not greater than 5. Okay, this is false. And if you remember while loop here, okay, it is waiting here, waiting that this while loop is waits to this condition comes true, and then execute that code. But here it doesn't matter if it's true or false. If it's true or false, we have this block of code. And now let's see, for example, I want to do like this, and now it's greater, yeah. And now let's see what we get as result. You see, 0. It doesn't matter, you get that one time. This code is going to execute one time, and if that condition is not true, you get one time this block of code, and then not anymore, you know. And it's going to not execute that. Okay, while and do while loop. For example, I'm now waiting for some other chapters, and then we make some effective example about some, for example, some exercises or some test project, to know where can I use that. For example, do while loop in the next chapters. Tell me for each, and those things. Okay, for this time this is okay. I'm going to stop it here right now, and see you in the next time.